weather message. For the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams, the National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 59, effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 59 has been issued until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams.